Welcome back to The Examined. Today we are going to talk about 3 important things that every beauty lover should know. We will talk about beauty products, skincare routines, and makeup tips. This video will give you simple ideas to make your skin healthy and your makeup look amazing. Let us start with beauty products. Choosing the right products can make a big difference in how your skin looks and feels. There are many options today like creams, serums, oils, and masks, but more expensive products are not always better. The key is to choose products that match your skin type. If you have oily skin, use light gels or oil-free creams. If your skin is dry, use nourishing creams or oils to keep it soft. Always check the ingredients. Look for things like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, or niacinamide. These are gentle and good for most skin types. Do not forget sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from damage and keeps it looking young. Next, we will talk about skincare routines. A good routine does not need to be complicated. Simple routines often work the best. Start by washing your face every morning and night to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. After washing, use a toner to balance your skin. Then use a serum or treatment for your main skin concern. This could be dryness, acne, or dullness. After that, apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Do not forget to use sunscreen during the day. At night, you can use a gentle scrub once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells and make your skin brighter. The most important thing is to be consistent. Even the best products will not work if you use them only sometimes. Stick to your routine, and over time, your skin will improve. Now let us talk about makeup tips. Makeup should make your natural beauty shine. Start with a clean and moisturized face. Use a primer to make your skin smooth and help your makeup last longer. Then choose a foundation or BB cream that matches your skin color. For your eyes, a simple mascara and light eyeshadow can make your eyes look bigger and brighter. If you want a more dramatic look, you can add eyeliner or darker shadows. Do not forget blush and highlighter. They make your face look fresh and glowing. For lips, pick colors that match your skin and the occasion. The most important tip is blending. Well-blended makeup looks natural and beautiful. Combining these 3 things can make your daily beauty routine easier and more effective. You do not need too many products or complicated steps. Use a few products that suit your skin. Follow a simple skincare routine every day. Apply makeup that makes your features shine. Over time, you will notice your skin looking healthier and your makeup looking better. It is also important to pay attention to your skin. Your skin can change with the seasons, your diet, and even stress. What works in summer may not work in winter. Be flexible and change your products or routine when needed. Always read product labels carefully. Avoid harsh chemicals or things that can irritate your skin. Gentle ingredients are usually better, especially if your skin is sensitive. In conclusion, taking care of your skin and applying makeup does not have to be hard. Focus on using the right beauty products for your skin. Follow a simple skincare routine and use makeup tips to enhance your natural beauty. Small and consistent steps make a big difference. Remember, beauty is not about being perfect. It is about feeling confident and taking care of yourself. That is all for today's video. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to The Examined. Try these tips at home and see how your skin and makeup improve.